Happy morning, dear students. I welcoming you all to this online revision class. Tomorrow, you are going to write your science December monthly test. So, for that, in biology, you are having only one lesson, that is the economic biology. So, it's a very important lesson. Now, we will revise the textbook exercises. First, we start with choose the correct answer. The production and management of fish is called physiculture. The production and management of fish is called physiculture. See the other options: sericulture, aquaculture, monoculture. So from the word itself you can easily understand the answer. Fish means physiculture. Second one, which of the following is not an exotic breed of cow? Exotic breed means the cow that is brought from the foreign countries. Okay, so here some of the breeds names are given, and that the answer is Shahiwal. Jersey, Holstein Friesian, Brown Swiss, these are all exotic breed, but the question is which is not an exotic breed. So the answer is Shahiwal. Third one, which of the following is an Italian species of honeybee? Italian species of honeybee is Apis mellifera. Apis mellifera. And fourth one, which of the following is not an Indian major carp? Carp means it's nothing but it's a fish. Okay, it is not an Indian major carp, they are asking. So the answer is Sinhara. Fifth one, drones in the honeybee colony are formed from. Drones is nothing but male. So male honeybee is formed from. The options are unfertilized egg, fertilized egg, parthenogenesis, both B and C. The answer is unfertilized egg, because honeybee produce two types of eggs, fertilized and unfertilized eggs. The fertilized eggs develops into queen bee and worker bee, and the unfertilized eggs only develops into drones. Okay, so drones in the honeybee colony are formed from unfertilized eggs. Next one, which of the following is a high milk yielding variety of cow? High milk yielding variety of cow. The answer is Holstein Friesian. So it is an exotic breed, so it can yield more amount of milk. Seventh one, which Indian variety of honeybee is commonly used for apiculture? Indian variety. From the name itself you can easily understand Apis indica. Eighth one, dash is the method of growing plants without soil. Plants usually grows with the help of soil. Okay, some plants can be grown without soil. Such method of growing plants is called as hydroponics. And ninth one, the symbiotic association of fungi and vascular plant is. Symbiotic means the mutual understanding, right? The symbiotic association of fungi and vascular plant is mycorrhizae. Mycorrhizae is a symbiotic association of fungi and the vascular plants. 10th one, the plant body of mushroom is. Mushroom ude plant body ku per enna? Okay, it is called as mycelium. The plant body of mushroom is mycelium. Okay, and fill in the blanks. First one, quinine drug is obtained from. Quinine is a drug which is used to cure malaria. So it is obtained from Cinchona officinalis. Cinchona officinalis. Cinchona maram சொல்லுவாங்க. Second one, Carica papaya leaf can cure dash disease. Carica papaya. Papaya leaf can cure which disease? Dengue disease. Carica papaya leaf can cure dengue. இப்போ டெங்கு வந்தப்போ கூட பப்பாயா லீஃப் தானே அந்த சாறு சாப்பிட்டோம். ஓகேவா? And third one, vermicompost is a type of soil made by dash and microorganisms. Vermicompost means is nothing but earthworm. With the help of earthworm and microorganisms, vermicompost has been made. Fourth one, dash refers to the culture of prawns, pearl and edible oyster. So the culture of prawn, pearl and edible oyster is called as aquaculture. Aquaculture. Fifth one, the largest member in the honeybee hive is the. So which is the largest member in the honeybee hive? ஹனி பீ ஹைவில் இருக்கிறதுல பெருசு எது, விச் இஸ் த லார்ஜஸ்ட்னு கேட்குறாங்க. ஸோ த ஆன்சர் இஸ் குயின் பீ. குயின் பீ, த ஆன்சர் இஸ் குயின் பீ. அண்ட் சிக்ஸ்த் ஒன், dash is a preservative in honey. Formic acid. Formic acid is a preservative in honey. And seventh one, dash is the method of culturing different varieties of fish in a water body. So in a water body, different varieties of fishes are cultured. Such type is called as polyculture. Poly means many. Okay, polyculture. Understood? And Roman letter 3, say true or false. If false, correct the statement. Mycorrhiza is an algae. Is it correct? No, it's wrong. False. So mycorrhiza is not an algae, it is a fungi. Okay. Second one, milk animals are used in agriculture and transport. Milk animals are used in agriculture and transport. Is this right? No, it's false. So drought animals are used in agriculture and transport. Third one, Apis florea is a rock bee. No, it's wrong. It's false. Apis florea is a little bee. It's not a rock bee. Fourth one, Ongole is an exotic breed of cattle. Ongole is an exotic breed. Is this an exotic breed? No, it is a dual purpose breed. So it acts as a dual purpose breed. Ongole is a dual purpose breed of cattle. Fifth one, sheep manure contains high nutrients than farmyard manure. Is this right? Yes, it's true. Sheep manure contains more nutrients when compared to farmyard manure. Next, we want to match the following. In match the following, 2 columns are given. Okay, you have to match these 2 columns. In column A, first one is the lobsters. Lobsters are called as answer shellfish. Shellfish. Right? Second one, catla. Catla is called as finfish. Okay. Third one is sea bass. Sea bass is called as marine fish. Sea nale marine, salt water, right? Sea bass, marine fish. Fourth one, oysters. Oysters குள்ளேந்து என்ன எடுக்கலாம்? Pearl. So the answer is pearl. Okay. And fifth one, pokali. Pokali means it's a pokali culture. Paddy. Pokali means paddy. And sixth one is Pleurotus species. So it is a oyster mushroom. It is an oyster mushroom. And next one is the Sarpagandha. Sarpagandha is a medicinal plant, right? So it is a reserpine. Sarpagandha is a reserpine. So it acts as an antidote for snake bite. Next is the olericulture. Olericulture, vegetable farming. Olericulture is nothing but vegetable farming. And last one is the Rhyta tinctoria. Rhyta tinctoria is used for psoriasis as a medicine. Psoriasis is the answer. Lobster, shellfish, catla, finfish, sea bass, marine fish, oysters, pearl, pokali, paddy, Pleurotus species, oyster mushroom, Sarpagandha, reserpine, olericulture, vegetable farming, Rhyta tinctoria as a medicine for psoriasis. Next, we move on to differentiate the following. In differentiate the following, the first one is the exotic breed and indigenous breed. Exotic breeds are imported from foreign countries, whereas indigenous breeds are native to India. These foreign breeds are selected for long lactation periods, and the indigenous breeds shows excellent resistance to diseases. And you have to write some examples. Okay. Second one is the differentiate between pollen and nectar. What is a pollen? Pollen is a fine to a coarse powdery substance comprising pollen grains which are produced from the male gamete. And nectar is a sweet viscous secretion secreted by the flower of the plants. And third one is the differentiate between shrimp and prawn. Shrimp has lamellar gills, whereas prawns have branching gills. Shrimps have claws on 2 of their 5 pairs of legs, whereas prawns have claws on 3 of their 5 pairs of legs. And next one is the farmyard manure and sheep manure. Farmyard manure is well decomposed. Farmyard manure contains 0.5% of nitrogen, 0.2% of available phosphate, and 0.5% of available potash, whereas sheep manure contains 3% of nitrogen, 1% of phosphorus pentoxide, and 2% of potassium oxide. Okay, that's all about the differentiate. Surely one differentiate will come for your test. And next, Roman letter 6, answer briefly. 6 questions are given. So what are secondary metabolites and what are the different types of vegetable garden? Mention any 2 mushroom preservation methods. Enumerate the advantages of vermicompost over chemical fertilizer. And what are the species of earthworm used for vermiculture? List the medicinal properties of honey. So these are the different questions. You know all the answers. The answers are sent in that PDF. Go through that, revise and write test. Okay. So what are the 2 types of vegetable garden? Kitchen garden or nutrition garden, commercial gardening and vegetable foraging. Any 2 mushroom preservation method means drying and vacuum cooling or the different 2 types of preservation of mushroom. Okay, and then importance of honey, it is also a very important question. You go through that. And next, Roman letter 7, answer in detail. So enumerate the advantages of hydroponics. So advantages are given in points. Okay, you have to read all the points. So if it is asked in 5-mark question, don't write only 5 points, write at least 7 points. And second one is the define mushroom culture. Mushroom is a fungi belonging to Basidiomycetes. It is rich in protein, fibers, vitamins and minerals. Mushroom culture is the process of producing food, medicine and other products by the cultivation of mushrooms. There are different methods, cultivation methods: composting, spawning, casing, pinning and harvesting. Okay. And next one, what are the sources of organic resources for vermicomposting? So the materials required for vermicomposting, it's a very important thing. You have to read that. It's a very easy thing also. And fourth one, give an account on different types of fish ponds. There are different types of fish ponds such as breeding pond, hatching pits, nursery ponds, rearing ponds, stocking pond. Okay, you have to write at least 2 to 3 points in each side heading. And question number 5, classify the different breeds of cattle with suitable examples. Cattle breeds are divided into different types. That means dairy breeds, draught breeds and dual purpose breed. Dairy breeds means they are domesticated only for obtaining milk. There are of 2 types, indigenous breeds and exotic breeds. Draught breeds means they are used for agricultural work and for transportation. And dual purpose breed for both providing milk and for work. Okay, so that you have to explain and write. So read all the questions, thorough with all the questions, write test and submit it to me. So all the best for your test. Do well. Thank you.